What up, YouTube? Godpack Hunter here. We're going to try something different. I've never opened a one-piece starter deck. Let's see what's all inside. These are the new ones that just came out. This is set 26. Alright, so what do we got here? It's like we got a player's mat. Looks like it gives you some instructions too of how to play, so that's nice. Alright. Oh, that's a pretty sick card right there. Have Luffy. Oh, and it also gives you a pack of OP11. So, let's, alright. Come on. It's got a tear strip. There it is. There. Alright, what do we got here? Go Robin, some Luffy's. Brooke, and a bunch of Dons. So I have not started playing this. Put those there. Let's see if we have better luck in something like this compared to a blister or a booster box. Let's see here. Come on. And Cammy. Ooh, Jinbei. Let's go. Sick. That's a sick looking Jinbei. Well, what do you guys think? Let me know. Is there better odds in a starter deck or for lower value? I think it was like $11.99 for this. So compared to, you know, spending $120, I think, on a whole booster box. And I think one of these little blisters was like $4 or $5. So let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more action. So take care, guys. Bye.